Now this is an interesting problem. Sometimes when you put it in drive, it stays in drive lit, but it goes away. Now watch this. When you put it in drive, it lights up. When you go to second, nothing lights up, it just stays in drive. When you put it in first, it goes to 2. When you go back, it goes back to drive on second. Put it in drive, it goes to drive, and that goes back to neutral. Everything works perfectly. I mean, it runs like a champ. But I changed the TRS, that neutral safety switch or whatever it is, and I was about to change the cable, so I unhooked it and it started moving it. And it's not the cable linkage, because without it hooked to the little lever there, I moved all of it and it does the exact same thing. Now I changed the fluid, I changed the sensor and the solenoid and transducer, and it's still the same. Now I'm going to show you what I did in a little bit to correct the problem. Now watch. 2, 1, 2, drive. There they are. Okay. I'll show you what I did. Now the harness comes in, it comes over here, and of course it goes to the PCM. But if you look over here, you're going to see a set of 12 wires or so coming in, and they're grounded right there. Now what I did is I ran a 10 gauge wire from there underneath, came back over here, connected it there, and that wire happens to come to the battery over here. So all that I did was re-grounded all those 12 wires coming from the PCM and everywhere else, and just ran a 10 gauge wire from there. Of course I cleaned it up, and then I brought it underneath, connected it to the second one that goes directly to the battery.